What's up, everyone? I always feel weird when I'm like, babe, what's a new intro I could do?
I feel weird for you.
Whatever. Redo. Hey guys, it's Sierra, and today I finally did my hair, so I thought, well, actually I washed my hair for the first time in a long time. So I thought I would film like a little fun video on my everyday normal makeup routine. There's a lot of days where I don't wear makeup just because I'm lazy, but most of the time I at least like to apply like some of the bare minimum so I don't look like
I hoodlum on Instagram.
Do it for the gram, I guess.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and start, actually. So normally when I do my makeup, I like to tease my bangs and keep them out of my face. Brent hates when I put my hair behind my ears. He says I look like, I don't know, maybe a leprechaun or something. I'm gonna actually start off with this Too Faced lip injection.
Did you just say your toothpaste?
Babe, be quiet. Quiet on the set in this house.
You just admitted your toothpaste.
No. And I like to put this on my lips. It's gonna give me like a little bit of a plumper. I guess I should get a mirror, huh? That might be good. And then I love this primer by Urban Decay because it has SPF 30, and honestly, if you don't want wrinkles when you're older, well then I guess you better start putting some SPF on your face every single day. I never leave the house without putting on sunblock. So I just put like a dime amount on my finger, and I'm just gonna rub it in. And you wanna make sure you wash your face before putting on any makeup. I showered, and even showering, I usually wash my face again, but
like I said, the laziness is real.
now I need a mirror. I kind of feel lost right now because I don't have all of my makeup like right in front of me since I'm filming in my living room, since my office is not ready yet in my new home. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever. This stuff literally is like crack on my face. I don't even need foundation. This stuff like will stay on and it'll give me like a full coverage, and it's waterproof. I was using, I think I was using MAC, and I loved that one. And then when I was in Vegas, I forgot my concealer at my bachelorette party, and so I used my cousin's, and she had this one, and I like never turned back. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit on. I usually do, can you even see? There we go. I usually do like a little line right there and right there because I have extra dermatitis. I have a lot of like redness on my face. Oh yeah, I'm just kind of like drawing, and you don't really have to put it on like this, but usually when I'm doing it in a hurry, I mean, who cares, right? It's just going on your face, so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and just buff it all out, smooth it all in. You can use a beauty blender, but I get really oily when I use a beauty blender, even if I like clean it. I don't know why. Everyone like swears by them, but
Not me.
and look at this. I got that like the week, a couple days before my wedding, and it's still there. It almost looks like it's a freaking blackhead, but I keep popping it and it just like won't go away. Get it in that hairline. Oh my gosh, I'm like semi-mortified right now. Look at my eyebrows.
Like, that's disgusting.
Normally I would have fresh eyebrows for a video like this, but I can't get them done until Friday because that's when my lady works, so.
Sorry, guys.
I mean, it is my everyday makeup routine. So it's just a light coverage. Kind of looking a little extra white. This lighting is like on fleek. Babe, I kind of feel weird because I'm filming a video and you're just like listening to me.
I'm not even listening to you.
You heard that, didn't you?
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let that set and dry. Next up, we're gonna be doing our eyes, and because it's summer, you kind of just have to have like a little bit of glam and sparkles. So I'm gonna be using Urban Decay. It's called Cosmic. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh,
Orgasmic.
it like, once the sun hits it, you're just blinging all over. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on our eyelids. And if I'm wearing like a low neck shirt, I like to put it on like my shoulders, my arms, and also my neck. Let me flip my hair.
It's not a cute look, Sierra.
And I'm just gonna lightly put a little bit on here. I'm so not used to holding a mirror when doing my makeup. I have to have like the biggest mirrors of all times staring in the bathroom. We actually don't have mirrors in our bathroom right now because Brent's a lagger and he hasn't ordered. You haven't gotten the quotes yet. The guys haven't come yet, so they're supposed to come this week. We've lived in our house for like 3 months now.
3 months.
Yes, we have. And then, oh, for my eyebrows, I never color them in. I just use this like Gimme Brow. This stuff like works really well for me. I already have like really dark eyebrows, so I just kind of like, this is like, I used to use like a clear mascara, but this stuff works just as well. Keeps them all in place. Snaps here, got a little clump there. Okay, so, oh my God, where's my eyeliner? I'm missing my eyeliner. Ah, hold on. We are back in business. Okay, so the eyeliner that I'm using is this Maybelline Line Stiletto one. I am on the hunt for a really good liquid eyeliner. Like I've tried so many. I really liked NYX, however, I would find like if I would sweat, it would kind of like bleed and I didn't like that. And this one goes on really smoothly, but watch, I'll show you. When I start doing my eyeliner, it doesn't stay black if I like go over it a couple of times. It like lightens up, if that makes any sense. And I'm just gonna do a regular eyeliner line. Merp. Okay, well, it didn't do it right now. Okay, yes, it did. So can you see right here, if I go over it, it like kind of comes off. So I'm constantly having to put like 2 coats on, which 1 coat is totally fine, but whatever. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment a really good eyeliner.
Did I already say that? I can't remember. The worst is like waiting for eyeliner to dry. Is this even? My hair is so wild right now. Wild, oh my God.
All right, now our face is like completely pretty much dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bare Minerals, the Mineral Veil. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit. You can put some in the cap if you want. Dang, I still have a lot in here. Okay, here we go. Back at it. And then I'm just gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna pat it all over my face. It's honestly just a pressed powder and it's gonna absorb all of your oils and it's gonna help if you're like super sweaty like I am or oily. I always feel so much better when I have this on.
Where's my mirror?
Perfect. So yeah, you can totally tell it's like a very, very light coverage. Let me get closer. Very, very light. Like you can still see a little bit of my redness, but I'm not trying to have a full coverage face for during the summer. It just doesn't happen. This is basically like if I'm going to the grocery store and I'm scared I'm gonna see someone that I've known forever and I'm like,
ah! Not wearing any makeup, like tragic.
Tragic.
Just kidding. I think everyone's seen me without makeup. I'm not typically the one that wears like a whole bunch of makeup. It just doesn't work for my face. I'd be breaking out all over. And my mom didn't allow me to wear makeup growing up. Like, yeah, she didn't let me shave until I was like in 8th grade and I was like a monkey. I had so much hair. I still have a lot of hair. So now I'm just gonna apply mascara and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic. This stuff is,
Oh my God.
you know, I never change my mascara.
Never.
And I'm just gonna apply it to the tips. If you guys haven't seen any of my mascara videos,
What are you doing? You're missing out.
it's like the only thing that I have to have on, honestly, to leave the house. Brent's home early today, so he decided he was gonna be in our video. Okay, so we have our first coat, and you can totally leave it at that, but
Did I mention I'm a mascara whore?
Can you apply your mascara without opening your mouth?
No.
I love mascara. I naturally get rosy cheeks when I go outside when it's like super, super hot outside, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Tarte Captivating. I just got this new one. I like the color. It has like a little bit of shimmer, so I'm gonna use this blush. Knock it out. And then I'm just gonna put a little. That was perfect. And now it's gonna make me look like I am alive and not a zombie and not like I just came out of bed. I actually normally put a little bit extra blush on because I love when it soaks into my skin and then gives me like that dewy look. And as you can tell, I did not use bronzer. I don't use any bronzer when I'm doing my everyday makeup look. Like, you don't really need to bronze your face, do you?
Like, oh my god, I need that defining lines on my cheekbones.
No.
And then put a little bit in my hairline. Okay, we are almost there. Oh my god. Now I can go to the grocery store. All right, let's wipe all this weird stuff that we're putting on our lips to make us look like we have some smoochable lips. I like to use that stuff because it also like not only plumps, it makes you like your lips like tingle, but also it gives like a little bit of color to your lips. Even though it's clear, once my lips have any type of gloss or like chapstick or anything, honestly, it gives it a little bit of color. But now that we wiped it all off, I'm gonna be using MAC. It's just a regular lipstick.
Why am I drawing a blank?
It's regular lipstick and the color is Lip Tensity. Ooh, this is like the color of my lips. And so I like to use it.
Duh.
Mwah. How do I look?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
And that's pretty much it. Fine as a damn. That's a little extreme, Sierra. Last but not least, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay, the All Nighter setting spray, and it literally says my name. They sent it to me and I was like,
Oh my god, I love you.
I love anything with my name, my name on it. So I'm just gonna set my face. Okay, or not. Babe, come tell me how I look.
Little beautiful.
No, you're supposed to come over here. You walk like Eeyore, babe. Even though I call you Pooh Bear. How does my face look?
It looks amazing.
Is this how I wear my makeup like pretty much every day?
Pretty much, yeah, because that's the way I like it.
Ooh. I like it like that. Okay, no one wants to see your red beard.
It's a shame that you just did your makeup.
No. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Honestly, this makeup usually takes me no more than 5 minutes just because I do it every single day. I have all of these items in a small little bag, this bag actually, and I put it all, like it's such a routine that it takes me 5 minutes. I just, and then I'm done. No more than 5 minutes, honestly. How was that? I hope you guys,
Call.
what?
Sounds like a duck call.
Babe! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, I'm looking for a really good eyeliner. Something that's like nice and smooth, something that's super dark. And yeah, comment down below.